Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set the button lock in Redmi phone. So friends, before I start this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So friends, first what you need to do is you have to go to the setting it here. After go to the setting, you have to come down again. Then can you see it here, password and security, you have to press this one. After pressing, can you see it here, screen lock, so you have to press this one. So can you see it here, this button, so you have to press this one. Then after pressing, can you see it, you have to wait for that one. Then you have to press this one. Got it? After got it, can you see it here, this button, so you just need to so wait, it's not yet done, so you just need to press this like this. After pressing, you will see the confirm here. Then you have to confirm it. Then you have to press it again here. So screen lock, button screen lock already has been set already. So friends, I will show you now it's work or not. Just wait it. It's already done. Can you see it here? So the button lock has been already set. So friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.